How to add reviews to Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can quickly add reviews to your Shopify store. Now, once you guys are logged in into Shopify, click on the bottom left where you guys see add apps. After that, click on the Shopify App Store. So once you guys click on the Shopify App Store, that's gonna take you guys over to this particular page. So now from over here, you guys might see the product reviews option over here. But if you guys want to search for it manually, you guys can simply type in reviews in the search bar and you guys will have hundreds and hundreds of these apps come up. You guys can choose the first one, which is the stamped product reviews and UGC, and this particular product is gonna add reviews to your Shopify store, and this will really get you a boost in terms of your sale. They have a free plan, which is a 7-day free trial. Well, then after that, you guys will have to pay for this particular application, but guys, trust me when I say this can really increase your traffic with reviews, and you guys can definitely end up making more money, because more reviews means more trust, and more trust means more conversion, and more conversion obviously means more dollars for you guys. So guys, that is how you guys can add reviews to your Shopify store. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.